Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Theta. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is strictly my opinion on the markets. If you haven't seen the previous Theta update, then I would encourage you to check it out before watching this one. The link is going to be in the top right section of your video. Make sure to check that video before watching this one because a lot of information is going to be said there that I will not be repeating in this one for the sake of the time or the length of the video. So we do have this major resistance level, guys, and that is what we're looking for. We're looking for a move towards this resistance level, and hopefully we can, break through it for the first time. But obviously there is a strong chance that we potentially can get rejected, and if we get rejected, we can come back down and hold the 0.5 as support, sitting at $7.43. If you're looking for entry points, then on this large fib that I have set up from the swing high to the swing low in July, the 0.382 is a very nice level to dollar cost average into the project. That's exactly where the 55 EMA and the 20 EMA currently are on the daily chart. $6.21 is your nice level. Now, if we have a pullback and we start coming back down and we're losing support levels, then I'm going to give you those relatively soon. Just bear with me for a couple of seconds. If I throw on this fib retracement from the swing high to the swing low, okay, you can see that we have started coming up. We hit the golden ratio. We broke through the golden ratio, and we're coming back down to the 0.5. If we get rejected from the 0.5, I'm going to give you your buying levels right now. So $6.18 is the golden ratio. $5.46 is the 0.786, or you can look even a bit higher. This swing low sitting at $5.60 would be a nice entry point. So look at those levels, and this is the fib towards the downside. So if we start breaking down, you can look at this fib and see where the support levels are. But honestly, I don't see us coming back down. I think we're going to have that one last rally before the month, and we're going to end the month basically on a $63,000 Bitcoin by the end of the month, as per Plan B's prediction. So yeah, that's what I think is going to happen. Obviously, with the pullbacks, just dollar cost average, if you even go lower, below the prices that I just gave you, then make sure to buy in the dip, but I'm not a financial advisor. The inverse head and shoulders pattern is playing out as well. We do have the neckline. This white line is the neckline. You want to break above that, and that takes you straight to $15.83, which is the previous all-time high. So you're at least coming up to the all-time high, providing you can break this neckline of the inverse head and shoulders. That gives you a trade of 142% from where we are currently. Also on the daily chart, it looks like we're going to get the bullish cross, finally getting the bullish cross on Theta on the daily chart. I've been talking about this in the previous video as well. We want to get the bullish cross. That will be your confirmation. So if you're really skeptical, you can wait for the bullish cross confirmation. Now, taking a look at the RSI, so you can see that we're pretty much getting rejected from this level once again over here, October 23rd, pretty much getting rejected from this resistance line on the RSI. So I told you, take a look at this RSI level. You potentially can get rejected from that zone. Now, what is this trend line over here? I think that's supposed to be on the 4-hourly chart. I'm not sure, but this, I'm just going to change the color so you don't get... So yeah, this yellow line is where you should be looking for resistance. As you can see, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now the 6th touch of this resistance. Pretty strong resistance. Once you see a break of this resistance, that will be your confirmation that you're breaking out. You want to take a look at the volume and see if the volume is doing good. Then that's your breakout out of this pattern. Now jumping into Binance, also we do have a symmetrical triangle playing out right now on your chart in front of you. So once you start breaking this symmetrical triangle, you're going to be in a massive target to the upside. So if we take a trend line from top to bottom and you place it where the breakout is potentially going to happen, that gives you a target of $18 and pretty much $19, right? Yeah, $19, let's say. And that's your target out of this symmetrical triangle, because you can see that you've been coming up and tightening and tightening and tightening, and now you're pretty much oiling up and you're ready for that breakout. So be ready to catch the breakout, guys. I wouldn't necessarily be taking profits right now on any projects, because I think the couple of months ahead of us are going to be so bullish that you're going to regret selling at these low prices, because these prices are relatively low in my opinion. So yeah, this is the daily chart. Let's take a look at some oscillators. So on the RSI, let's see, I did give you this support line and you pretty much held it here October 21st. You had a bounce from there. So I told you look for this support line to hold, and we pretty much did exactly that, and you held the support line, and right now you've bounced off of it. So potentially if you bought into this project at these support lines, then you're in profit already. And like I said, the RSI is looking very healthy right now on the daily chart. Now let's jump into this stochastic RSI. So you can see that we're on our way to the overbought over here. Once you get there, that is your take profit zone. So if you're looking to take profit before the end of the bull market and quite early, then feel free to do so. But I would be looking at the weekly chart and the monthly charts of Bitcoin, as well as your altcoins, to predict, and not to predict, but to really understand when it's the best time to take profits. I do have a take profits video and you know, how to predict the bull market top, and that video is going to be linked at the end of this video, so make sure to stay tuned. So you can see that we have a bullish cross on the MACD over here. The moving average convergence divergence is giving us a bullish cross, which is a confirmation of the uptrend. So this potentially is your signal. As you can see, once we had this bullish cross October 1st, you see the appreciation we had. Obviously that appreciation reflected on the price as well. So this was October 1st over here, and from there you had a move of 45%. So you can see that the MACD actually can give you nice calls. So the stochastic RSI, we're on our way to the upside as well. And yeah, we're looking very good right now on Theta. I think this project is going to go to at least $40 in this bull cycle. As always, I can be absolutely wrong, but that's just what I have based on my technical analysis. So thank you for watching, guys. I'm going to catch you in the next video. Make sure to check out the Telegram chat and the Discord server. Make sure to check out these two videos on your screen. One of them is how to time the market, and the other one is on Centrifuge, a great project that I think a lot of people are going to miss out on. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye.